Imagine a world where you control every detail, from bending the laws of physics to traveling through time. Picture yourself soaring through the sky, effortlessly commanding objects with your mind. This isn't the latest sci-fi movie plot, it's the captivating realm of lucid dreaming. You're the architect of your own extraordinary adventures. Confront your deepest fears, tap into boundless creativity, and explore uncharted territories. Step into a world of infinite possibilities. The concept of lucid dreaming isn't a product of modern science fiction, it has been documented for millennia. Tibetan Buddhist monks developed dream yoga, using lucid dreaming for spiritual exploration. In ancient Greece, philosophers like Aristotle mentioned lucid dreaming in their writings. These ancient insights laid the groundwork for modern science. Join us as we explore this extraordinary phenomenon further. High in the Himalayas, amidst the serene monasteries of Tibet, Buddhist monks cultivated an ancient practice known as dream yoga. This esoteric tradition viewed dreams not as mere fleeting illusions, but as fertile ground for spiritual growth and profound insight. Unlike ordinary dreamers, these monks trained rigorously to achieve lucidity, the state of being consciously aware within the dream itself. Dream yoga, a cornerstone of Tibetan Buddhism for centuries, posits that the waking world is no more real than the dream state. By attaining lucidity within dreams, practitioners could pierce the veil of illusion and glimpse the ultimate truth of existence. This practice demanded unwavering discipline, intense concentration, and years of dedicated meditation. Through these rigorous practices, the monks aimed to dissolve the boundaries between waking and dreaming, achieving a state of continuous awareness that transcended the limitations of ordinary consciousness. Dream yoga represented a path to liberation, a means of breaking free from the cycle of suffering and attaining enlightenment. Tibetan Buddhism regards dreams as reflections of our deepest subconscious mind, unfiltered by the constraints of logic and reason that govern our waking thoughts. Within these nocturnal narratives, our hidden desires, fears, and unresolved emotions surface, providing valuable insights into our true nature. Dream yoga practitioners believe that every element within a dream, from soaring mountains to menacing creatures, symbolizes aspects of our own psyche. By learning to decipher these symbols, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place within the interconnected web of existence. Moreover, Tibetan Buddhism emphasizes the impermanence of all phenomena, including our waking reality. Just as dreams arise and dissolve each night, so too does our waking life constantly change and transform. Recognizing this impermanence fosters a sense of detachment from worldly concerns, allowing us to approach life with greater equanimity. Dream yoga, therefore, serves as a powerful tool for cultivating mindfulness, a state of heightened awareness of the present moment. In ancient Greece, philosophers explored the nature of consciousness and the mysteries of the human mind. Aristotle observed the experience of becoming aware within one's own dream. He questioned the boundaries between perception and reality. Galen believed dreams provided insights into health and well-being. The Greeks' fascination with dreams showed their curiosity about the dreaming mind. While ancient cultures embraced lucid dreaming for its spiritual and philosophical implications, the dawn of the 20th century ushered in a new era, one where science sought to unravel the mysteries of this phenomenon. Frederik van Eeden, a Dutch psychiatrist, coined the term lucid dream in 1913. In 1975, Keith Hearn demonstrated a link between lucid dreaming and specific eye movements during REM sleep. This discovery revolutionized the study of lucid dreaming, shifting it to the realm of legitimate scientific inquiry. Following Hearn's groundbreaking work, a wave of research emerged, solidifying the scientific validity of lucid dreaming. Researchers unraveled brain activity associated with lucid dreams, distinct from waking consciousness and non-lucid dreaming. Stephen LaBerge expanded Hearn's findings, developing techniques for inducing and studying lucid dreams. LaBerge's work at Stanford focused on identifying unique brainwave patterns associated with lucidity. Lucid dreaming can be a powerful tool for learning skills like playing the piano and exploring the gray area, where creativity and innovation thrive. Here's how lucid dreaming can help with skill development and expanding the gray area. Mental practice. In a lucid dream, you can visualize yourself playing the piano, feeling your fingers on the keys, and hearing the melodies. This mental practice can help improve muscle memory and enhance your piano skills in real life. Creative exploration. Lucid dreaming allows you to explore new ideas or techniques that may not be possible in waking life. You could compose unique music or experiment with unconventional piano techniques in the dream world, pushing creative boundaries. Reducing anxiety. Practicing in a dream can be less stressful than in real life. By training in a lucid state, you might build more confidence and feel more comfortable when playing while awake. Reflection and learning. After a lucid dream focused on piano practice, you can reflect on what you learned and apply it in real life. Keeping a dream journal can also help track your progress and insights. Simulating real-life situations. If you have an upcoming performance or audition, you can rehearse in your dream, simulating the situation to prepare mentally and reduce anxiety. As the scientific community delved deeper into lucid dreaming, a fascinating realization emerged. Lucid dreaming held the potential to unlock powerful therapeutic applications and enhance cognitive abilities. One promising area focused on lucid dreaming therapy, LDT, to treat nightmares and PTSD. Studies revealed that individuals could confront and alter nightmares within a lucid dream, leading to improved sleep quality and decreased anxiety. Lucid dreaming aids trauma healing through neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. The brain constantly adapts and reorganizes in response to new experiences. Trauma forms strong neural connections linked to fear and terror. Lucid dreaming helps reshape these pathways by altering nightmares. This weakens fear and promotes empowerment. While lucid dreaming holds immense promise for addressing trauma and other psychological challenges, it's essential to approach it with a balanced perspective. Lucid dreaming therapy, LDT, should be viewed as a complementary approach to healing, best utilized in conjunction with professional guidance and traditional therapeutic interventions. A qualified therapist can provide a safe and supportive space to explore the root causes of trauma, develop coping mechanisms, and process difficult emotions. They can help individuals identify specific goals for LDT, such as confronting nightmares, reframing traumatic memories, or practicing relaxation techniques within the dream state. Furthermore, a therapist can help individuals navigate potential challenges associated with LDT. For instance, some individuals may find it difficult to induce lucid dreams or maintain lucidity for extended periods. Others may experience intense emotions during dream reenactment, requiring careful processing and support. When integrated into a comprehensive treatment plan, LDT can empower individuals to actively engage in their own healing process, fostering self-awareness, resilience, and a sense of agency over their experiences. While self-healing through lucid dreaming is enticing, professional guidance is crucial, especially with trauma or mental health conditions. Attempting to address deep-seated wounds through lucid dreaming alone can be overwhelming. A qualified therapist can assess suitability for lucid dreaming therapy and provide tailored guidance. They help process emotional content, ensuring individuals don't feel overwhelmed. Seeking professional help is a courageous step towards healing and well-being. Imagine stepping into a world where the laws of physics bend to your will, where gravity is a mere suggestion. This is the exhilarating reality of a lucid dream, where you are the conscious architect of your own boundless playground. The possibilities for manipulation and exploration are virtually limitless. Want to soar through the sky like a bird? Simply will it to be. The power is in your hands. Your thoughts and intentions shape the reality around you. You can alter your own form and abilities, embrace the freedom to experiment and experience the impossible as if it were second nature. While the ability to shape and control our dreams is undeniably exhilarating, the true power of lucid dreaming extends far beyond mere entertainment. It offers a unique and potent avenue for personal growth, allowing us to confront fears, challenge limiting beliefs, and rehearse for real-life challenges in a safe and consequence-free environment. Imagine using a lucid dream to practice a presentation that's causing you anxiety in waking life. You can visualize yourself delivering the presentation with confidence and eloquence, feeling the nervous energy transform into positive momentum. Or perhaps you want to overcome a fear of heights. In a lucid dream, you can gradually acclimate yourself to the sensation of being high up, eventually soaring through the air with a newfound sense of freedom and exhilaration. Lucid dreaming can also be a profound tool for emotional processing and self-discovery. Within the dreamscape, we can safely confront difficult emotions or unresolved conflicts that we may shy away from in waking life. We can have imaginary conversations with loved ones, expressing unspoken feelings or seeking closure. We can even revisit past experiences from a place of empowerment, rewriting the narrative and releasing the emotional weight we've been carrying. By embracing the transformative potential of lucid dreaming, we embark on a journey of self-exploration and healing. We learn to tap into the boundless creativity of our subconscious minds, challenge our perceived limitations, and emerge from the dream world with a renewed sense of clarity, purpose, and self-mastery. The lessons learned and the insights gained within the dreamscape can ripple outwards, positively impacting our waking lives and empowering us to create lasting change. For centuries, dreams and waking reality were seen as separate. Now, we know dreams can impact our physical skills. This is embodied cognition, mind and body intertwined. Our mental states affect our physical well-being. Lucid dreaming taps into this connection. Imagine practicing yoga in a lucid dream. You feel the stretch and balance. Your mind strengthens neural pathways. Athletes use mental rehearsal to improve skills. Lucid dreaming offers a hyper-realistic practice environment. The efficacy of lucid dreaming for skill enhancement lies in its ability to activate the same neural networks involved in real-life physical movements. Our brains interpret mental rehearsals as actual physical experiences, triggering muscle memory and refining motor skills. Research shows striking similarities in brain activity patterns during physical tasks and mental rehearsals in lucid dreams. This neural overlap has profound implications for skill development. Practicing movements in lucid dreams can accelerate learning, improve muscle memory, and refine technique. The applications of lucid dreaming for skill enhancement extend far beyond the realm of physical mastery. It can also be a powerful tool for improving cognitive abilities, such as memory, problem-solving, and creative thinking. Imagine using a lucid dream to memorize a speech or presentation. You can create a vivid, memorable environment within your dream, associating key points with specific objects or locations. This technique, known as the method of loci, leverages the power of spatial memory to enhance recall and retention. Furthermore, lucid dreaming can foster creativity and problem-solving by providing a safe and consequence-free space for experimentation and exploration. Within the dreamscape, we can challenge assumptions, test out new ideas, and approach challenges from novel perspectives without the fear of failure or judgment. Musicians can experiment with new melodies and harmonies. Artists can explore unconventional techniques and mediums, and entrepreneurs can brainstorm innovative solutions to business challenges, all within the boundless creative playground of their own minds. By embracing the limitless possibilities of lucid dreaming, we unlock hidden potentials and expand the horizons of our learning and performance capabilities. The journey into lucid dreaming begins in our waking reality. Grounding ourselves in the present moment is crucial for recognizing the dream world. Reality testing makes questioning your reality a habit. Engage your senses to seek out inconsistencies. Ask yourself regularly, am I dreaming? Examine your surroundings closely. This habit will trigger lucidity in your dreams. While reality testing lays the groundwork for recognizing a dream, the mild technique focuses on setting a powerful intention before sleep. It's like planting a seed in your subconscious, increasing the likelihood of a conscious dream experience. As you lie in bed, gently focus on your intention to become lucid. Visualize yourself within a dream, experiencing familiar sensations. Repeat a phrase like, "I will know I'm dreaming." Infuse this intention with genuine desire and belief. With consistent practice, the mild technique can guide you to conscious dreaming. The wake back to bed WBTB technique capitalizes on heightened dream activity during the later stages of sleep. This approach involves timing your sleep-wake cycles to enter a dream directly from wakefulness. Set an alarm to wake up 4 to 6 hours after bedtime. Stay awake for 20 to 30 minutes, engaging in activities that promote alertness. Read about lucid dreaming or write in your dream journal. Light stretches or meditation can help too. Visualize entering a dream with full awareness. While lucid dreaming should never replace professional therapy, It can be a valuable tool for addressing milder trauma and phobias. The controlled environment of a lucid dream provides a safe space to confront fears and anxieties. Imagine someone struggling with a fear of public speaking. In the waking world, the thought of an audience might send their heart racing. But in a lucid dream, they can recreate the scenario with a sense of agency. They can visualize themselves confidently delivering their speech, feeling the support of an attentive audience. The key is to approach the process gradually and with self-compassion. Lucid dreaming allows us to rewrite the narrative of our fears. Traumatic memories can feel etched into our minds, replaying on an endless loop. But in a lucid dream, we can alter the script entirely. Imagine someone haunted by a recurring nightmare of a car accident. In their dream, they can take control of the vehicle. They can slow down time or create a protective bubble. Changing the outcome in the dream can profoundly impact trauma processing in waking life. Lucid dreaming is a powerful tool for facing fears, but gradual exposure and self-regulation are key. Just as we wouldn't expect someone with a fear of spiders to immediately hold a tarantula, we shouldn't overwhelm ourselves in a lucid dream. Start with small steps, building control and mastery within the dream. If overwhelmed, remember you can change the dream or wake up. Lucid dreaming is about empowerment, not forcing fears. Prioritize self-care and emotional processing after a lucid dream. Healing is a journey. Be patient and compassionate with yourself. From the ancient practices of Tibetan dream yoga to the latest scientific research, lucid dreaming reveals our mind's potential. It's a journey of self-discovery, transcending waking reality and tapping into boundless creativity, healing, and growth. Controlling dreams and rewriting personal narratives is alluring, but the true magic lies in empowering our waking lives. Confront fears, process trauma, and rehearse real-life challenges. Develop resilience, self-awareness, and unlock hidden potentials. Lucid dreaming offers a doorway to infinite possibilities. Embrace the unknown, cultivate curiosity, and embark on your lucid journey. Keep a dream journal, experiment with techniques, and celebrate your successes. Have you ever had a lucid dream? Share your experiences below.